Hey guys, what is up? It's Star here, back again with another math video. Today we're gonna be doing problem solving, and the problem we've got here today is that a rectangle's total area is 114.4 meters squared, and we know that one side of the rectangle is 14 meters bigger than the other side. So what I've done here is I've made the width 14 and the length 14 plus the width, and basically this is going to be a quadratic equation, and let's get on with this. So the area of a rectangle or square is width times base. So you want to do x times, or let's do w, since that's our variable. W, this w times w plus 14 is equal to 114.4. Now there we go. And what you want to start off with is, let me just make this a bit separate. What you want to start off with is factorizing simplifying. So you have to do w times w, which is w squared, and w times 14, which is 14w. So plus 14w. And then you have to do equals to 114.4. Now, since it's a quadratic equation, you want it to equal to 0. So you just repeat this and do w squared plus 14w is, minus 114.4, because you get the 114 from this side. You subtract it from this side and you add it to this side and you subtract it here. And now this will be equal to 0. Okay. Now, once we've got this, we want to find out what w is. Now, the only way we can do this is using our rule that we discovered 2 videos earlier, which is, let me write it in another color, negative b plus or minus brackets b squared minus 4a times c, brackets closed, and divide the whole thing by 2a. So what we can conclude from here is that this is the a, the number in front of w, so that would be 1. B will be 14, and C will be 114.4. Okay, so now it's time to replace these values. Let me close this up as well, and let's start solving this right here. So since we knew that B is 14, we have to do negative 14 plus or minus brackets b squared, which is 14 times 14, which is, I think, 196. 196 plus, we have a negative 4 times a times c. So we know that A is 1, C is 114.4. So if you times A by C, it's 114.4. And our C is actually negative, so it's actually minus 114.4. So here would be 4 negative 4 times 114.4. And if I check that with my calculator, it is 456.6. And you want to remember that this is all inside this square root. And this all, if you close the brackets, will be divided by 2. So you've got, W is equal to negative 14 plus or minus square root of 196 plus 457.6. And if I type this in my calculator, this value here will be 25.565. So W is equal to 14 plus or minus 25.565 over 2. So now you want to do 14 plus 25.565. Otherwise, I think I should make it another color. Otherwise, our quadratic equation won't work because an area cannot be negative, right? Because if you do 14, it's actually negative 14. My apologies. Because if you do negative 14 minus 25.565, it will be a negative number, and the area cannot be negative. So what you want to do is negative 14 plus 25.565, which is 11. W is equal to 11.566 over 2. And now we can go ahead to simplify that, and I can confirm my calculator that it is 5.783. So here the W will be actually 5.783, and the length of the rectangle will be 5.783 plus 14. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.